Elevate your outdoor space, simple flower bed designs for a stunning garden transformation. Transforming your yard into a vibrant oasis doesn't have to be a daunting task. With a few thoughtful flower bed designs, you can effortlessly enhance your outdoor decor and create a stunning backdrop for your home. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these easy gardening ideas will inspire you to elevate your curb appeal and cultivate colorful gardens that are sure to impress. The classic border bed. One of the simplest yet most effective landscaping ideas is the classic border flower bed. By lining the edges of garden or walkway with a variety of flowers, you create a visually appealing frame that draws the eye. Choose a mix of perennials and annuals to ensure year-round color and interest. Consider using plants with varying heights and textures to create dynamic plant arrangements that will enhance your backyard design. The curved bed. For a more organic look, consider incorporating a curved flower bed into your garden transformation. Soft, sweeping lines can soften the harsh angles of structures and hardscaping. Utilize flowers that bloom in waves, like lavender or daylilies, to create a flowing effect. This design not only adds depth to your outdoor space but also makes it feel more inviting. Raised flower beds. If you're looking for easy gardening solutions that require minimal maintenance, raised flower beds may be the answer. These elevated structures allow for better drainage and soil quality, making it easier to cultivate a thriving garden. Fill them with a mix of flowering plants and herbs for both beauty and functionality. The added height also makes for a striking visual element that can enhance your overall landscaping ideas. Xeriscaping with succulents. For those in drier climates or who wish to conserve water, consider creating a flower bed with succulents and drought-tolerant plants. This eco-friendly approach to flower gardening not only reduces water usage but also requires minimal upkeep. Arrange succulents in creative patterns or groupings to add interest and texture to your backyard design while showcasing your commitment to sustainable landscaping. Seasonal rotations. For a continuously evolving flower bed, embrace the concept of seasonal rotations. Plan your plant arrangements so that you can swap out flowers as the seasons change. Spring blooms like tulips and daffodils can give way to summer favorites such as sunflowers and zinnias, ensuring your garden remains a colorful spectacle throughout the year. This strategy adds layers to your outdoor decor and keeps your space fresh and inviting. By implementing these flower bed designs, you can easily transform your yard into a captivating sanctuary. With a little creativity and planning, you'll find that flower gardening can be both enjoyable and rewarding. Embrace these landscaping ideas to enhance your curb appeal and create a backyard design that reflects your personal style. Your outdoor space is a canvas waiting to be adorned. Let your imagination flourish.